Good morning. It's 7:25. Welcome back to the morning show. It's Wise Guy Wednesday. Our resident Wise Guy, Matt Sellen, is here. He brought some friends, Jamie and Pete, from the Illini 19th annual. Which one will this be?
23rd annual.
23rd annual.
It's
an older T-shirt.
Old shirt, yeah.
Either way, the Insect Fear Film Festival coming up this weekend, and we brought some insects that are pretty big in their own right, but kind of here to talk about how big they get in the movies and why they really can't be that big in real
So we
life.
talked about why they can't get real big, and people just know this because we use these two balloons. If I were to toss a little balloon to you, you wouldn't worry too much, but if I toss a big balloon to you, well, you didn't look that worried, but you just gave me that look.
It didn't pop.
Right. So you know the big one's more likely to pop, and that's just because it's got more mass in it, and it still doesn't have a whole lot more strength. So anyways, they have this beautiful film festival this weekend, and I think you want to say when it is and where it is and stuff like that?
Yeah, it's going to be this Saturday at Follinger Auditorium on the U of I campus. Doors open at 6, and we'll have a bunch of activities. We'll have a live insect petting zoo, something called Bug Scope, where kids can watch and control an electron microscope.
Oh, neat.
And look at insects on it, and a kung fu demonstration by a expert in kung fu, in praying mantis style kung fu.
Okay. What films are we showing at the festival?
It's going to be The Deadly Mantis is our feature film, and we're also showing an episode of Buffy the Vampire Slayer featuring a praying mantis, and a episode of Space Ghost Coast to Coast.
Okay.
And as well as some shorts.
These are pretty much family-friendly kind of thing. I mean, the movies are not going to be too racy for the kids. So
no, I don't think so. Not to my knowledge. Yeah.
Okay, great. Now you've got a big Chilean rose-hair tarantula here.
Yeah, it's not an insect, but we have a couple non-insect arthropods as well to kind of just the ones that are neat-looking.
Okay.
He's big and furry and creepy.
Now these are all going to be on display with some other insects?
Yeah, we'll have a bunch of other ones. We've got 2 species of praying mantis right here, as well a Egyptian flower mantid, and she's laid an egg case there. You can see.
Now how many mantises?
Probably,
are
from what I've heard, about 40 to 60. But
okay.
we yet to see. And we have some baby Chinese mantids too. These you can find around here, and when they're full grown, they're about a little bit bigger than her.
Yeah, those are way too little to even take out of the container. Those are pretty mantis.
Yeah,
and don't forget the cockroaches.
Okay.
You can pet those.
Yeah, we also have these, which are nice, slow-moving cockroaches, which are actually handleable, unlike most other cockroaches. These are Madagascar hissing cockroaches.
How do you make them hiss?
They hiss when they're frightened, and they expel the air from the trachea that run through the body. These guys have gotten used to being handled, so they're not doing it this morning.
These
Hopefully
are the brave ones.
we'll have some hissing ones on
Okay, we're all
Saturday.
scared of big bugs. Real quick, they can't get that big. Simple, pure physics.
Pure physics. Okay. Exactly right.
Matt Sellen, our resident Wise Guy on Wise Guy Wednesday, along with Jamie and Pete, who was here earlier, telling us about the Insect Fear Festival coming up this weekend. It's the 23rd annual at Follinger Auditorium. Doors open at 6, and the movies start at 7. Gentlemen, thanks for coming in.
Thank you.